Welcome, here I've got iPhone 12 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to this button at the center. When we pick this we get access to more camera settings which are here. Now let's pick this button, the third from the left. And here we get access to aspect ratio of this camera. Now we are in 4:3 ratio. We can pick also the square one, and as you can see the background has changed to the square. The next one, tap on this button and we can pick also 16:9, and this is the longer one. And of course by going to this once again we can easily go back to 4:3, the original one. And this is how to use this. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.